Hello viewers, today I'm going to be installing the 6-step adjustable levers that you had seen on my 600 and Dominar on this beautiful white TNT 300. It belongs to my friend Sashank. Okay. So this is our bike. Those are my tools, and we need to replace this clutch lever and the brake lever. So I'm going to unscrew these two. Brake lever has only this point. We need to unscrew this bolt over here, nut and bolt, and from the clutch side over here we will also loosen this clutch from here first. This adjuster needs to be loosened too, and then remove the bolt and then take the lever off. So once I've done that part, I'll continue again ahead. Lever is out and the two levers are side by side. If you need to compare, yeah, it was just this bolt from the top and this nut at the bottom. So you add the levers here, okay, and the bolt goes in from here. You tighten it. That's it. Okay, the nut and bolt are back in place, and we have this operating. The adjustment, as you must have seen in my previous video, you have to pull the lever away from the accelerator and then adjust according to the length you want. If you want it halfway, you can keep it at around 4 or 3 and check the play and ride accordingly. So I'll continue now with the clutch side and show you things ahead accordingly. Of this lever, clutch lever, have also been taken off, and we just need to loosen this out. This is out. Now remember, for the Benellis, this bush up here, okay, this bush is very important. This needs to go back to the new lever that we have, else there will be a play. You can see there's a difference in hole. Okay, this one has a bigger hole and this one has a smaller. So the bush from this one needs to be mounted on the new lever. Rubber, okay. The cable lock is also gone in. You just push it back, slide it in, and here's a bolt that needs to go back. Wind it down completely and lock it from bottom, and you're done. Everything's in place. The nut and bolt from top and bottom, the lever has been adjusted over here. The rubber can come back in place, and again, to adjust this lever you need to pull it away from the handlebar and adjust this mounts for the leverage. Okay. For the clutch part, the farther you keep from the handlebar, you'll get better clutch, better gear transmission, smoother gear transmission. The nearer you keep, the harder will be gear shift. It is like you have play in your clutch lever, so the distance acts as a play. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Put it in the comment section and I'll try to answer in the next 22 to 24 to 48 hours. I'll leave the link for lever purchase too. We have procured it from AliExpress for approximately 1400 with shipping, and they came in around like 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, so this is how the setup also looks for the bike from both sides. If you see, overall it gives a good finish with the red chassis and the red levers. The bike looks great. Thank you for watching.